Good morning students. Welcome back to EVS class. I hope all are good. Dear students, these days we are studying about European traders and explorers, who were interested to come to India and other Asian countries for what? To trade with us, to buy precious things from India. Students, we know before 500 years India was one of the richest land in the world, fabulous, prosperous land. So students, they were interested to come to India. Before Europeans, Arab traders came to India. They crossed the Arabian Sea and reached in our country, India. They bought these precious things. What are the precious things? Muslin, fine muslin, silk, and plenty of spices. These precious things were available in India. It was not available in European countries and Arab countries. So they interested to come to India. Okay students. Then what happened? These Arab traders sailed by. They crossed the Arabian desert. Then they crossed the Mediterranean Sea. Then they reached in the land of Europeans. Then they were selling these precious items, these precious things what they bought from the India. These precious things they started to selling in European countries at high prices. Because it was not available there. Students, because of this high price, due to this high prices, students, then European traders decided to come to India because they wanted to buy these three things directly from India. Because it was cheap rate in India. इंडिया में सस्ते में मिलेंगे. यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में जब अरब ट्रेडर्स भेजना शुरू किया, हाई प्राइस, ज़्यादा पैसा लेना शुरू किया, they earned much profit. Students. Then with the help of emperors and kings, some explorers started their journey. They began to search the sea route to India. On the way, they discovered many new land, rich islands, many new lands. Students, so in previous class we learned about some explorers, famous explorers. First of all, Christopher Columbus, one of the most famous explorer. First of all, he landed in an island. Students, what is the name of the island? San Salvador in Bahamas. He thought that it was India, but it was not India. It was an island, San Salvador in Bahamas. Then, after many voyages, he discovered the America, the great country America. He was crediting with the discovery of America. He discovered the great land America. Students. Then we learned about Ferdinand Magellan. He was also one of the famous explorer. He discovered the Spice Island of Indonesia. Spice, it was very rich island. Rich Spice Island of Indonesia. Then he discovered the Straits of Magellan. What is the meaning of straits? Passage of water in between two seas. Students, means these straits connected with Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. दोनों को बीच में एक passage of water है. Straits. He discovered the Straits of Magellan. Then these straits have been named after him. इसको ये जो straits है इनका नाम ही डाल दिया. Straits of Magellan. Then straits means linking path of two seas. In between two seas, थोड़ा सा एक narrow path. Then Bartholomew Diaz, he was also a famous explorer. He sailed around the southern coast of Africa. Coast of Africa. He sailed around the southern tip of coast of Africa. Students. Then he reached in a land. He named it Cape of Storms. Students, because when they reached in that area, it it was very difficult. Storms, बड़ा हवा आ गया, आंधी तूफान आ गया. So he named it Cape of Storms. Okay. Later, the king Portugal, okay, renamed it Cape of Good Hope. Okay, students. Okay. Now, today let us learn about Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama. Okay, students. He was the first European to find the sea route to India. He was the first European to discover the sea route to India. Okay. 10 years after Bartholomew Dias voyage around the Cape of Good Hope, another Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. Bartholomew Dias वो Cape of Good Hope इधर इन्होंने थोड़ा सा राउंड करके he couldn't reach the इंडिया में पहुंचने के लिए कोशिश किया, but he cannot, okay, because he couldn't get the sea route to India. Okay, so he sailed around the Cape of Good Hope, means around the coast of Africa. Okay, then after 10 years 10 साल के बाद वास्को डा गामा इंडिया में पहुंच गया. He discovered the sea route to India. Understand, students? Okay, then he reached in Calicut of Kerala. Kerala ka one of the district Calicut. He reached there. Okay, students. Okay, then first European to cross the Indian Ocean. He was the first European to cross the Indian Ocean. Then he want to cross the Indian Ocean. Okay, उसके बाद इंडिया में पहुंच सकता है. Okay, students. Then it was useful voyage to trade with the Asian countries. Okay, students. It was a useful voyage. तो इंडिया में वास्को डा गामा पहुंच गया. It was easy to reach other Asian countries also. इनका जो voyage है, it was very useful. It was very helpful to other traders. Okay, जो वास्को डा गामा इंडिया में पहुंच गया तो दूसरा यूरोपियन ट्रेडर्स को भी आ गया, लोग की वो भी आ सकता था, बिकॉज ही डिस्कवर्ड द सी रूट टू इंडिया. कहाँ से जाना है, सी रूट कहाँ है, कहाँ से कहाँ जाना है, ये सब इन्होंने डिस्कवर किया, मैप बना दिया. अंडरस्टैंड, स्टूडेंट्स? ओके. His voyage were useful to Europeans who could now trade directly with the Asian countries. Okay, later, okay, then they did not need to pay large amount of money to the Arabs anymore. Already I told you. Okay, first of all, Arab traders came to India, so it was very high prices. Okay, due to high prices, these European traders decided to come to India. तो अरब ट्रेडर्स को और पैसा देने का कोई जरूरी नहीं है, ज़्यादा पैसा देने का, because they discovered the sea route to India. Okay, students? Okay, then see, Vasco da Gama died in Cochin of Kerala in 1524. Okay, बहुत साल वास्को डा गामा इंडिया में था. After many years, okay, he means he reached in India, okay, in Calicut. Then after many years he died in Cochin, one of the place of Kerala. Okay, students, Cochin of Kerala in 1524. उधर ही इनका डेथ हो गया. Understand, students? Can you able to understand what I am saying? So students, as you would have noticed, most of the famous explorers from Portuguese, Italians and Spanish, okay, they were great sailors and explorers. Okay, students, from many countries, okay, many explorers, traders, sailors, they traveled through the water for many years. Okay, they wanted to discover the new lands for their kings. Okay, students, they were encouraged by their kings. Kings लोगों को encourage किया. Okay, and queens, they were encouraged by their kings and queens to find more territories and claim it for their kings. Okay, see, sailors or explorers, okay, encouraged by their kings or queens, okay, to find more territories. Okay, एक जगह means एक place, country, new countries find out करने के लिए, discover करने के लिए kings लोगों को encourage किया. Then and claim it for their okay, and claim it for their kingdoms. एक जगह एक नया जो न्यू लैंड्स है, रिच आइलैंड्स है, लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे, डिस्कवर करेंगे, उसके बाद क्लेम करेंगे हमारा है. ओके, because of rich lands are there. Okay, so students, it was very difficult to voyage on water, but for their kings and queens encouraged them to discover new lands. Okay students, okay. Then sailors and explorers faced many hardships. They faced many hardships. Students, it was not easy to voyage, travel on water for many throughout the year. They are long time they are traveling on water for their kings because of the commandment of their kings. Okay students, several of them died on their voyages. बहुत लोग on the way मर गया, death हो गया बहुत लोगों का, because they are sometimes they are not getting purified water. अच्छा पानी नहीं मिलता है कभी कभी. Okay, poor diet, they are not getting enough food. Okay students, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months continuously they are traveling on the water. Okay, voyage on water. Then sometimes I told you already, I explained you big type of fishes and dangerous animals are in the sea. Okay students, many killer whales are there, sharks, and many type of big type of fishes and animals are in the sea. Okay students, so sometimes several of them, बहुत लोग on the way, okay, died on their voyages, on the way death हो जाता है. Then despite that, the promise of fame, because of their king, the king encouraged them. Okay students, the promise of fame, riches and adventure made explorers risk their lives for the rewards. उन लोगों को जो reward मिलेगा, fame, famous हो जाएगा उनका नाम. Okay, because famous explorer like these people. Okay, then riches, okay, they will get, means at that time they were getting lot of money. Okay students, and adventure बहुत, then ऐसे दूर दूर जाके आता है. Okay, then they will get the title name. Okay students, they were getting the title name. Okay, then made explorers risk their lives. So लोग risk उठा लिया. Okay, then for the rewards. Okay students, then we can read about them and admire the courage of these early explorers who changed the face of earth. Okay, because of their encouragement. Okay, they were courage. Okay, then because they could sail on the water. Okay students, they were famous explorers because of their courage. Okay, so students, let us learn once again. See, first of all, Christopher Columbus, he discovered the Central America. First of all, he discovered San Salvador in Bahamas. It was an island. Okay, then Ferdinand Magellan, he discovered the rich spice island of Indonesia. Then he discovered the Straits of Magellan, means connecting with the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. It is a passage of water, दोनों ocean का बीच में. Okay, then Bartholomew Diaz, okay, he was sailed around the coast of Africa. Okay, he reached the Cape of Good Hope. Okay, first he named it Cape of Storms, then his king renamed it Cape of Good Hope. Okay students, then Vasco da Gama, okay, he was also most famous successful explorer. इन्होंने जो यात्रा शुरू किया, जहाँ पहुँचने वहाँ पहुँच गया. He was one of the successful explorer. Okay students, see he the first European to discover the sea route to India. Okay, he arrived at Calicut in Kerala. Okay students, then first European to cross the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean पार करके इंडिया में पहुँच गया. Understand students? Then it was a useful voyage, okay, to trade with the Asian countries. For later explorers, it was very helpful. जो पीछे जो आ गया, इन्होंने माप को बना दिया. Okay students, he prepared a map how to reach the country of India. Okay students, then it was very useful voyages, okay, for other European countries to trade with the Asian countries. Okay students, okay. Then Vasco da Gama died in Cochin, one of the famous place in Kerala. Okay, Cochin of Kerala in 15 24. Okay students, then sailors or explorers, okay, encouraged by the kings and queens, okay students, to find more territories ज़्यादा and claim it for their kingdoms. फिर claim किया, नया नया जो जगह है, नया नया जो आइलैंड्स हैं, न्यू लैंड्स हैं, ये लोग डिस्कवर करेंगे, उसके बाद बता देंगे ये हमारा किंग का है. Understand? For their kingdoms. Okay students, for their kingdoms. Okay, good. You can read the chapter. Okay students. Okay.